Hello friends, how about if our repetitive tasks in Excel are performed by the system itself? Yes, it is very much possible by macros, a set of actions that can be performed to automate our task. As such, there is no requirement to understand the programming language to record a macro, as the macros they are recorded in Visual Basic Application Programming Language in Microsoft Office Excel. They are simple enough to perform and record. Now macros they can be used in your financial modeling, building financial statements, your financial ratios. And to create these financial statements and financial ratios, I have already shared few videos. The link for these videos is already there in the description. Let us understand how macros work in Excel. Now when you go and look at Excel, there is a view tab on the top, and in the view tab you have macros on the right hand side. If you click at that, you will find view macros, record macros, and use relative preferences. In case this is not there, then you need a developer tab, and for this you need to go to file, options, customize ribbon, and checkbox on the developer there. Click OK. Now if you look at the ribbon on the top, you have developer tab being created, and you have macros, record macro, relative preferences, and macros security available now. Now to record a macro we will be using right now, you will click on record macro. A pop-up will be there which will ask you about the macro name. So I will be using the stock prices data in the current example. So I will name my file as stock prices. Remember, there should be no space in between. So I use underscore for naming my file. It is stock prices. Then it asks you about the shortcut key. So control plus any shortcut key you can give. I will give now E. Then where to store the macros, it will store in this workbook. You can use the personal macro workbook. Now personal macro workbook will help you use this macro which you are recording here in all the workbooks which you people will be using, and click OK. Now once you click OK, the macro has started recording. If you look at the top, you can stop by clicking here, or by the left hand corner in the end you will find there is a button. If you will click on that, it will stop recording. So let's create one sheet and record. I will write date in A1. Since my file name is stock prices, so I have created a data for that only. So stock prices in P1, C1 market prices, D1 stock return, E1 market return. So I just type one date, today's date. So I use the function equal to today, start bracket and close bracket, and enter. So you will get the today's date. So this is the recording which I have done, and everything is recorded. I click on stop button. So how to check whether it is there or being recorded or not? Go to sheet 2, click on A1, highlight that cell, and then control E, the shortcut which you kept. So it will run the shortcut with the help of shortcut itself. Otherwise you can go to view. In view also you can find view macros. It will list all the macros which are there. Currently I had personal file which I had created macro with the name stock prices. You can have and run, click on run here also. Now what if I want this macro to be run in any other cell like A6, A8, A9, whether it will run or not. So for this, I'll just click on A6 and click the shortcut again, that is the Control E. So it is not running as such over here if you see, right? Because only the date it was highlighting, and since it is not recorded for the other cells. So what to do now? For this, you may highlight or click on the cell A9, go to again the developer tab. There is use relative preferences function. Now if you click on this use preferences relative preferences button, you will be again, you can use anywhere in the sheet the same function. Once it is highlighted, now click record macros. Now macro name you can again give, maybe I give now S and P, and again control for this I give as control plus T. Okay, and I type maybe the different now first name, then last name, right, and then I maybe write marks. So this is being recorded. I click on now end button, so recording has stopped. So once the recording is stopped, now what to do? Now to check this whether it has recorded, and by clicking in any other cell, control plus T, anywhere on the sheet it will run. So with the use of relative preference, you can have the recording available anywhere on the sheet and the steps will be followed. I hope this video is helpful to you, and thank you.